Hello, Mom and Sir. I'm Lisel Ababag, 45 years old, married, blessed with three kids, ages 25 years old boy, 23 and 20 years old girl. I am a high school graduate. I have four brothers and three sisters. I have been working as a domestic helper in Singapore for 2 years. I serve two adults of the family ages 30 and 32 years old, and the 3 months old baby girl. I do the household chores, cooking, washing clothes, ironing clothes, grocery, and taking care of the baby. And also working in Hong Kong for 4 years. I serve two adults of the family and the two small dog and the 3 months old baby girl. I do the household chores, cooking, marketing, grocery, washing clothes, ironing clothes, taking care of pets, and taking care of the baby. I am a hardworking, trustworthy, kind-hearted, honest. If you choose me, I will be more responsible to taking care of your family and love your children as my own. I will keep an eye of their safety all the time. Thank you and have a good day.